Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time. I guess it's been 4 years since I have last posted, and I just thought of coming back to YouTube making videos because I've been again exploring the social platforms. I've started posting reels again, so I thought why not do a YouTube video as well. This video, I mean, I just thought of it because I just bought a new product and I just wanted to try it out. So I thought, why not make a video out of it? This is going to be a hairstyling video, not styling as in I'm gonna show you how to straighten your hair without having those rough patches or frizzy hair left over somewhere. I'm just gonna give you a little tip on how to section your hair while you do your hair straightening. Like, those are just three easy and simple steps so you can remember very easily. So the product which I've got is this iconic Black Beauty straightener, and as far as hair straighteners are concerned, I can only trust Iconic. I mean, I have tried other brands as well, but the kind of finishing which Iconic gives, it's just wonderful. And this is a pretty affordable one. I mean, I know Iconic hair appliances are a bit on the expensive side, but this one is very affordable. This one is just for rupees 1000. I got it from Nykaa, and if you want, I'll even mention a link in the description box if you ever want to buy it. And yeah, without wasting much time, I'll begin the video. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is a bit frizzy because of the weather, and also because मैंने oil नहीं लगाया था इस बार before washing my hair as I was sick. I'll tell you one thing कि what many people do is they just divide their hair into two sections like this, and they just start doing their straightening, which is ideally not the right thing to do because जब आप ऐसे करते हो ना like स्ट्रेटनिंग, सो बहुत सारे पैचेस रह जाते हैं लाइक यहाँ पे या फिर अंदर, बिकॉज नॉट एवरी पोर्शन इज़ कवर्ड, सो वो स्ट्रेटनिंग ठीक से नहीं हो पाता है एंड इट डज़ नॉट लुक गुड, इट डज़ नॉट लुक स्लीक. द फर्स्ट थिंग टू डू इज़ पूरे बाल आपको पीछे देने, देन यू हैव टू टेक अ सेक्शन लाइक दिस, यहाँ से लाइक काइंड ऑफ एन हाफ बन, यू हैव टू रोल इट अप, जस्ट रोल इट अप and एक clutcher या anything you have लगा दो आके. So yep, then you take your remaining hair forward ऐसे दो sections में, and you just tie one of them with a rubber band. फिर क्या होगा ना कि ये section बच जाएगा. Just have to comb it. I'm just gonna take one little portion. I'm doing, yeah, roots के यहाँ पे ना I'm doing it 3 to 4 times and then I'm smoothly gliding it over नीचे. See, for reference, 2-3 portions I'll just show you how am I doing. यहाँ पे आपको 3 to 4 times करना है at the root, and then bring it down in one swift motion. सो मेरा यहाँ का जो सेक्शन है वो हो चुका है कंप्लीट, एंड यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस. एंड द थिंग इज़ कि आप जब ऐसे सेक्शंस लेके बाल स्ट्रेट करते हो ना, तो द वॉल्यूम इज़ लेस एंड यू आर एबल टू डू इट वेरी नीटली. आई विल डू द सेकेंड सेक्शन ऑल्सो. ओके, एज यू कैन सी बोथ माई सेक्शंस हैव बीन डन. तो इसके बाद अब मैं क्या करती हूँ कि आई जस्ट टेक देम बिहाइंड and I again tie them up because I don't want confusions to be there. So बहुत lightly I'll just tie the whole section. Then what I'll do is ये मैं छोड़ दूँगी like this, and ये जो crown वाला part है ना, I'll take only this, again roll it up, place a clutcher on it like it's a section. Oh my god. I know it looks very funny, but this is how it's done. So I've just placed it. Then ये जो बाल है मेरे, again I'll take them forward, and जो ये straight वाला part है I've kept it पीछे, tying one side. I know this looks very funny because एक तो I'm using different colored rubber bands. This looks funny, but it is important. I'm going to take a little portion 3 to 4 times over here and one swift motion. As you can see how nicely it has been done. This is why I love Iconic. I'll do the rest of the section. यार मैं वीडियो में देख के ना पहली बार स्ट्रेटनिंग कर रही हूँ, so it's a bit difficult for me to see. So I'm now gonna open this. पीछे का also I'm gonna open it. Then I'm gonna check कि कुछ रह तो नहीं गया. I'll just comb my hair. I can see some go here. So I'll just quickly fix it. What I'll do is I'll again tie this up. ये छोड़ दूँगी मैं. So I'm just gonna comb them. The trick here is you take the straightener and you do it like this. Like the whole section. Do it like this. You take a middle partition. I'll just separate these out. And I'll take a section. और यहाँ का, then I'll do this. So it gives the perfect sleek look. Okay then, I'll open up all my hair. And if you want to have one last check, then what you do is divide it into two sections. Take them forward and यहाँ पे आप देखो अगर आपको कुछ inward curls या कुछ दिख रहे हैं तो. And be careful, you can burn your neck or your skin. So this is how I look. This is the final look. You can see how soft and how straight they have become without any patches. Also, do not forget to use a heat protection spray before you do all your hair styling, because without a heat protection spray आपकी जो hair health है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो जाती है, and the heat damage is real. So for me, I use this Be Blunt heat protection spray before I do my hair styling, and yeah, it's been pretty good. I've been using it for a long time, and if you want I can even mention the link of this product in the description box. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope my section tip was helpful to you guys, and yeah, so please like, share and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, love ya.